I hit the recording but by accident. I got spikes on my shoes just in case ice. But it's not bad out, like I said. I see footprints here because people walk their dogs. People still get out and exercise and this stuff. You just gotta have the proper gear on, I guess. It's coming down pretty hard, I guess, but the flakes are small too, the snowflakes. But they fall in like maybe, I don't know how thick it's getting per minute. But it's not bad as the Weather Channel made it seem. And I'm in Dalton, Mass right now. Should have wore some glasses or something. Because it gets into your eyes. Look at my truck. There's 2 trucks. People going out to get their coffee. Some people just run their own business. So they got to get out in it, you know. This is my jacket of choice. Everything brushes right off of it. As you can see. But in people's houses, nice and toasty. Like ours in particular. Go down here to this waterfall if I can make it down here. I think I hear the ice cracking beneath my feet. Crossing the road, you barely can see it because it's snowed in. I normally wear long johns under my jeans, but I didn't this time. Just the simple fact that they're jeans and I got freedom to move a lot easier. But like I said, it's not as bad. I want to walk over by that waterfall, but it could be slippery. But I might do it anyways because I'm a rebel. That's what rebels do. That place right there, Crane, that brown building, that was on National Geographic, I think. Look at this mountain of snow. It's ice down there. Crazy. It got plowed up. This guy doing. He's probably like, I don't know what this black dude doing. It's not bad out though. I don't think so. It's bad, but I guess it could be worse. Part of Crane. But right now I'm gonna turn the video off and start my other video camera.